If you don't know what a Labubu is, they're the new hot thing. Every time
I like girls that touch themselves. I like girls who cut themselves. You're a cutie, you're so great. I love when girls who masturbate. You've got a crazy family, hypersexuality. It's no fun to be ashamed. I love when girls who masturbate. I like girls that touch themselves. I like girls who cut themselves. You're a cutie, you're so great. I love when girls who masturbate. You've got